Most Indians still think buying US stocks is complicated, expensive, or only possible through foreign apps. But now, NSE International Exchange has launched NSEIX Global Access, a platform that allows Indians to invest in US stocks through a regulated exchange-backed ecosystem. So, in this video, I'll show you the complete process, step by step, from watchlist to order execution. Global investing interest is growing rapidly in India. People want exposure to companies like Apple, Nvidia, Microsoft, Amazon, and many other global businesses. And now, NSEIX GA, which operates through GIFT City infrastructure, is trying to simplify this process for Indian investors. In today's video, I'll show you how the platform looks, how to track stocks, how to place orders, what charges apply, and what the actual execution process looks like. But before we go into the details, do not forget to like and subscribe. So, this is the watchlist section inside NSEIX Global Access. Here, you can create multiple watchlists and track different US stocks. For example, you can see in the watchlist, we have CVS Health, Pfizer, and Verizon. You can see current price, percentage change, daily movement, and trading volume. This interface feels quite similar to modern brokerage platforms, which makes navigation easier even for the first time global investors. Now, let us open a stock and see the detailed view. Here, we can see live chart, open price, base, high and low, volume, market capitalization, PE ratio, and historical performance. The platform also allows different time frame analysis like 1 day, 1 month, 1 year, and 5 years. For beginners, this section is important because it helps understand the stock before placing an order. Now, let us move to the actual buy process. One useful feature here is buy by amount. This means you don't need to buy one full share. You can invest smaller amounts using fractional investing. For example, instead of buying one full US stock, you can invest based on the dollar amount you want. Here, we enter the investment amount, select order validity, and proceed to preview the order. This makes US investing more accessible for Indian retail investors. Now, this is the most important part that many investors ignore, the charges. The platform clearly shows brokerage, GST, and the total payable amount. In this example, brokerage is around $1, GST is added, and the final transaction amount is displayed transparently. This is actually useful because many investors want clarity on hidden costs, execution charges, and actual payable amount before investing. Once the order is confirmed, the platform generates an order confirmation screen. You can see the stock name, the reference number, the order status, executed price, and the quantity. After execution, the order appears inside the executed orders, and you'll also get a mail of the order that is executed. This gives a complete end-to-end investing workflow directly from the platform. So overall, NSEIX GA is an interesting step towards making global investing more accessible to an exchange-backed ecosystem. Some positives are simple interface, fractional investing, transparent charges, NSE-backed infrastructure. But there are also other things investors should evaluate carefully. That is foreign conversion costs, platform liquidity, taxation, and long-term ecosystem development. Since the platform is still evolving, it will be interesting to see how adoption grows over time. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with someone interested in global investing. Also, there is a link for free equity analysis course in the description. Do click it. Thank you.